Branding is not advertising. Isha is not doing any advertising. They're doing things which people are experiencing in a certain way. Okay, communication is a small part of branding, but it is not the only part of branding. So in branding, input is science, how you build your brand. Input is science, output is art, and outcome is commerce.
In B2B and B2C, one code I always practice in my life, remember edge to edge. Okay, it's human to human. Okay. In a B2B also, you're not going and dealing with a machine there or an animal there kind of thing. It is another human being that we're connecting with, and it's a human to human connection, whether it is B2B or B2C.
So salesmen, dealers, DJs, canteen boys, teachers, and obviously sociologists, psychologists, academicians, filmmakers, editors, all of these people can tell you about your customers. So rather than say, I need to go talk to my customers, as I told you, that level will get you only observations, will get you research, will get you data, it won't get you insight. To get you insight, you have to get into a deeper understanding of why are they saying what they are saying, why are they thinking what they are thinking, and that some of these people can help you with.
We had 60 minds having different variety. Each one has its own perspective, and it was guided by experts, right? The common theme between each of them was about that how actually at the end AI can enable to free up time for be an enterprise or an individual. So that bottom line thinking gave me a real insight that see, you can talk about positioning AI, but you have to ensure that you continue to focus on how it will benefit an organization to move up the value chain.
We spent just half a day. The experience has been amazing. We got to learn a lot from the panelists, and the environment is all very sort of interactive. So definitely going to recommend it to all my sort of friends who are even remotely connected with brand.
Well, I attended this program last year. It actually, opened up a lot of our vision, or rather I should say it did unlock a lot of potential that this particular sector and the brand that we're going to create had, right? We went back from here, we told them that, see, I think, there is an opportunity for it to be a 1,000 crore company.